So welcome back to the Upnlive show. We're live inside the studio right now. There's a vibe, you know, that's how we're vibing, you know, you look up Orphan thing.
Which is right.
Everything go already, you know.
Bruv. It's approximately 27 minutes past the hour of 10. Upnlive show each and every Tuesday right here live on TGM Radio. We're bringing you the best, you know. If you're just joining us, you missed Dylan, who was here a couple minutes ago. We spoke to Dylan. We're going to be releasing the interview on our YouTube channel. That's Upnlive show, so make sure you keep it locked to all our socials for that one, alright? And don't miss the tools and go on with a bag of things, alright? So if you're on Facebook now, remember to like and share. If you're listening via the website, big up to you. Welcome to the show. We have another special guest inside the studio this evening. He go by the name of Crxy, and he is from East London. I don't know if he's a rapper, if he's a singer, if he's a percussionist. I know what it is, but I'm going to ask the question now. Who is Crxy?
Well, Crxy is a rapper, is an artist.
Yeah,
it's definitely an artist. Yeah, straight artist. I was mainly straight rapper, and then a few friends were like, "Yo, like try to do little melodies and everything." So I tried it, and
it worked.
So and you got mine. That's a lot of people are streaming and stuff like that. So because I'm usually like straight, okay, bars, like structured bars and stuff like that. So doing that was just like off the top of the dome. I just tried something, and so
Wicked.
It worked.
We started a bit premature, but let's go over again. Let's redo this. Retake again. Good evening, everybody. This is Troy, and can you just tell us a little bit about yourself for me, please?
I'm 26 years old.
Yep.
I'm from East London, and I'm an artist. And I just dropped an EP called Free as well.
3?
Yeah, 3. Yeah.
Like 1, 2?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
And as you say you used to be just a bars rapper, straight up. Why was the change?
It's because I tried it before, and I think it was a thing where I wasn't comfortable with it, so I just stayed with the rapping, just straight. Okay, cool bars, and then my friends and that was like, yo, just try to call something different. Like the sounds changing, the UK, blah blah, and all that. And it was my mum. Mum was like, yo, try this. I was like, okay, cool. Tried it, and then I just said, you know what, I'm gonna keep doing that. I made a few demos, saying to my friends like, yo, you need to release this, and then just started releasing music like that.
Are you feeling the vibe of the UK? What's currently trending in the UK?
Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice feel. I like the whole Afro beats and bashment and all that.
Yeah, because Afro beats is going still. Afro beats is doing it well.
Big things.
Yeah, and I like that. You see the Afro beats, as you said, the bashment as well. It's merging. There's a big fusion going on, and I think it's something to do with social media, because the artists are connecting more. Africa is connecting with the Caribbean, and then the UK. I say this to someone, there's so many Africans that's living in the UK. They're influencing the music here.
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
To be honest, I think like the UK music, the UK rap is always been heavily influenced by like the immigrants that come to UK, because like
100%.
If you realize like the street dialect is made up of the Jamaican Creole language. It's made up of like part of it is sound a bit Africanish, certain word that they use, certain slangs. It's a big influence in what's going on in UK.
It's definitely influencing for sure, Dragon. I can definitely certify that, because if you listen to most of the chart topping songs right now, and who's trending, and when I listen to them, I'm like, this guy sounds African, but he has a British accent. So are you able to tap into that market?
Yeah, I do have a few unreleased songs like that, because I'm half Jamaican, half Antiguan. So
you see that? No,
I got that flavor behind me.
So you have that bit of lingo.
Yeah. So every now and then I might drop a little something like in there from time to time. So I got a few unreleased tracks with a few of my friends as well. Like one of my friends called Wonder is a producer. Okay. He's got a couple songs with him that I like that, and he's like, yo, we need to release these. I'm like, just hold up, just wait. Timing, just wait until everything, just timing, don't worry, we're gonna release it. So
timing is key, definitely. You said the producer is
Wonder, yeah. Mr. Ones.
Big up to the producers, because I you know what, I don't like sometimes the artist hides the producers.
Nah, not me, I can't do that now.
Yeah. And I don't get any justice, because the producers I see what the producers do for the music, and sometimes I think they get shoved to the side.
I can't lie. Sometimes you're listening to the beat, you're not even listening to what the person's saying.
Yeah.
Like, especially if the person's got a melody as well and they're going with what they're going with. But then when you got a bang, it's like when it comes together, it's amazing. But sometimes you can just listen to the beat on its own.
No, I can say that some of Drake's songs, I don't even listen to what he's saying, but the beat is heavy. I can say a name.
Facts.
So to be honest, like you have to give respect where it's due. Like I think like the UK producers now finding that little formula because they're tapping into a lot of different genres, a lot of different culture, and they're getting a piece of beat from here, a piece from that genre, and they're tapping into everything. So that's why you see a lot of the UK beats are so well rounded. Like if you realize, like even Drake is like, I would say he's influenced by the culture, what's going on in London, in UK. Man, that's why he loved London so much. So I could proudly say that, like he loved London.
He's good at it. Don't get me wrong.
Hey, no,
he's very good at it.
Yeah, no, he knows what he's doing, man. It's like, you know what I'm saying, like 1 minute he's chilling with Popcorn, then he's chilling with My Man, then he's chilling with Skep. Like he knows how to, he knows what he's doing. He's moving correct. I can't fault him for, you know what I'm saying. With that. He's doing the right thing.
Yeah, he's tapping into every market. Like he come to UK and he see like what's hot. What's the lingo, what's out on the street, and like that's how you keep yourself fresh, because like in the longest time Drake been running the hip hop industry, and hands down Drake been managing it, I would say, for the last 8 years. And single-handedly, every year is hot. He's the hottest hip hop artist.
There's always something.
Every single year, 8 years straight.
Yeah, you can't go around that still. Let's jump back into it. For you now, music. You've been doing music for how long?
Boy, I think I wrote my first rhyme like 14.
14? Wow.
13, 14. It was...
A school bench days. Not the bench, class.
Them days there. But as I was saying, I was always into rap. So when grime was like bursting into the scene, I was still listening to like 50 and all this kind of stuff. And my friends were like, why are you listening to that, man? Listen to Gets. Like, I listen to Gets like every now and then on grime and stuff.
So when did you actually record your first professional track?
I don't know. I don't know if
you're gonna turn a full-fledged artist.
Oh, I think I was about 18, 19 when I was like, yeah, cool. Like this is what I'm gonna do. Like this is what I'm gonna do. But 18. I think 18. Yeah, 18. I was at uni, and once again on a Wonder, one of my friend Wonder on his beat. So it's been there from time, because I was doing music and stuff like that before, but I wasn't really putting nothing out too tough. But then when I met him, he's like, yo, he's got bag of beats, and so we just bought like a cheap mic and just ran with it, and that was it. It was history, man. Just so I keep on making music. Yeah,
of course. So for this day and age, 2019, what's coming now? Because I know you have something coming.
Yeah. So I dropped Free, the EP, 5 tracks, and I got like a couple videos coming up, and I've got something special coming up later towards the end of the year. So so you know, I'm just working on that at the moment, and just waiting to see how that comes out.
It sounds like you're very hyped about what's coming. It sounds like the wind's coming.
I'm really hyped about what's coming. So I'm good. I'm ready for it. Like, and I think a lot of people have been waiting on this part of my journey of music at the moment. So
who would you like to work with now?
Boy, definitely want to work with Gets. Definitely want to work with Reg 32. If I could ever work with Popcorn, I would. Vibes, God, like there's so much. There's such a big list of it. Like I couldn't.
Yeah, but you see, you said one name. You said Reg. Reg is like, I think he's like a dinosaur. You know? He just.
Do you know what?
He just never dies, isn't it?
Do you know what? He can pop up and drop a song and everyone go, wow. It's like how Stormzy dropped that Vossy Bop song. Like, he hasn't dropped anything for a while, and then dropped that, and everyone's like, oh my God, Stormzy. I need more. He's them kind of guys, and the thing is, what I like about Reg is his wordplay is phenomenal. Like if I ever heard wordplay like that, I don't think I'd even do melodies. It's just. But as you said, it's going with the times. So you got to keep with the time. That's what Drake is doing. Literally every kind of little thing that you see is bubbling up, he gets with it. So then you never forget him.
So do you think that strategically moving forward as an artist, you have to kind of be more conscious of the era you are in with the music? Because I realize that the heavy hitters, the big players in the industry, they no longer bang songs out like every week. They dropping new music. Probably Drake might do that a lot, but barring say Skepta doesn't put a song out every day. No. And as I said, Stormzy haven't put a song out for a while. It's
because those kind of guys, they're solidified. So it's like they know if they decide to drop a song, they know that people want to run to it because they haven't heard them for so long. It's like when you've had so much consistency. you can be like, you know, I'm not dropping nothing for like 3-4 months, and then come back to it, and you just know that people are gonna be, oh my god, like especially if you dropped a banger as well before, and then you went away. They're like, this song has to be a banger. Like it has to be.
So would you say it's like backed by popular demand?
Yeah,
a thing like that.
Popular demand, 100%.
So I have a quick question. What would you say, like your feedback in your hometown, in your little circle, in your community where you're from, in your area in East London? How is the feedback from the people that know you and know that you're an artist and who you send your promo to?
The feedback's actually quite good. It's gotten better. It's gotten better over the years, of course, because I've gotten better, I've improved, and the way how I'm approaching different things and different people and stuff like that. Not being like, oh yeah, listen. Just like, it's there if you guys want to listen to it. Okay. You can share it around. It's that I realize with music you can't keep on like, you can throw it in people's face, but at the same time you got to be strategic with it. You got to make sure that it's like, you just got to make sure that it's on point, and it's good music as well. So you're not just throwing anything.
What are you trying to say? You cannot be cocky with your music.
Yeah, you can't be. You have to. There's a level of cockiness you can have.
Yeah, like all right. As an artist, you have to say you have to have that level of confidence. And like,
100%.
If you write something, you know, like this is the stuff. Good. Like I'm a DJ. Like if I know I'm good, like sometimes I do a bit of extra or something like that. I think as an artist, it's no problem. I see being if you have good material, you kind of try to get it out there everywhere, because like they say it always starts from loving yourself or loving what you do, loving your craft. You have to have that self-belief. So I don't find it no problem for you to like try to get the things everywhere. You have to be confident. If you're not confident with it, then there's no point of using this music thing, because this music thing is cutthroat. Like I've had people say, yeah, that song's rubbish. Like, what is that? Like I've sent songs to friends and stuff like that, and they're like, yo, that's rubbish. Like, what? Like, but the best thing to do is for you to be able to take criticism, because if you can't take criticism, you're not going to get far.
But there's a time for everything. You see, I used to have that concept where I say songs are rubbish, but I've seen some rubbish songs on number one. I've seen some songs that I don't even know why they're on the charts. Yeah. But somebody told me something recently, and I believed it. Somebody told me that the radio is not really meant for music. Radio is meant to sell adverts, and then the songs fill in the gaps.
That's interesting. That's very.
And I started thinking about it.
That's actually true, because like, think where the radio money come from. Think where the business come from for the radio. It's not for them playing the songs. It's about the adverts. So the song is just like the in-between part
to fill the gaps.
To fill the gap when advert is not playing, because we don't want to listen to advert
all the time. You want to listen to adverts all the time. So if somebody has a real, say a song that's average, and he invests like a certain amount of capital into it, it's going to be played. Because some of these songs I hear playing on the radio, there's no way that people actually listen to this and say, listen, I want to hear this and repeat.
But the thing is, have you ever had one of those songs playing on like in your car, or where you're on the way to somewhere like on a Capital Extra or one of them, and then later on, or maybe a week later, somehow the song just comes to your head and you're like, why am I singing this song? But that's the way how it works.
That's the business side of it.
Yeah, that's the business side of it. Like, the song might not be that great, and you're thinking, I don't like this song, but it's in your head. And when you're walking down the road, you go to the gym, you go here, and you're on the way to work, or whatever.
There's a thing called force feed. So it's like, sometime in your subconscious mind, your brain is digesting something without you even know that you're digesting it. It's because like a lot of these pop songs that on the radio, I know I don't listen to radio a lot, but I know all these little pop songs, and I can't tell where I hear them from or where. How do I know them? But I know them.
You know them. And no disrespect to the artists, but some of the songs, anyway, that's a different issue. And I don't even want to go down that road.
It's a whole different kind of
it is.
Oh gosh, people, if you just joined us, we got Cry here live with us here inside the studio. It's approximately 20 minutes coming up to 11 right here in London, England. This is our Upnlive show. We do this each and every Tuesday. Man's in the building. Man's here fresh, ready up. Yeah, East London in the building.
East London in the building.
Of course, represent
East London.
Of course, you know, we're fast approaching the end of the show, so we know what. We just feel that with us to then jump straight in a Dragon time. And a Dragon like that party.
Jesus.
What you got for me? Ready? Freestyle. This is Cry, people. Turn up your radios, your monitors, whatever you're listening on Facebook right now. Like and share.
Let's see what I can.
Let's go.
Hey. Look. Fresh by the water, what they want from me. Bossy with it, got me feeling bits around the city. Didn't think a rapper could be dropping flows or be skippy. In through flows, got a mission like a nitty. Black girl with a back, says she can't see me. Roll up in her mouth like she waiting on my kiddies. Back up in the trap like I'm waiting on a brick. Can't flip some my voice, I'm just trying to be rich. If I squeeze on a Mac, then I wait on the book. Cause the apple in my eye is the reason to my hook. It can go down on a verse on a track though. Anybody with a workflow? I take time, I ain't here for a cameo. Gotta keep the rate up, so but I gotta blow. I play it all like I'm starring in a game show, star in the making. Ain't got a tiptoe. Hey, Jesus. Hey, woo! I wasn't actually waiting for that. Hey, life, living fast. Life, living fast. Up and live show. We get it anywhere we go. Bars upon bars. Bars upon bars. Crazy is the name. You know I get it like I'm from Mars. Top of the dome with all my G's. Rich is the show. Hey.
That's yo, actual freestyle.
Yeah, that one got me still. Yeah, that one got me still. That one got me still, man.
Yeah. Stop. You wanna go again or why? That's it.
Hey, do you know what? Yeah. I don't know. Can't figure it.
Hey, people, this is Crxy celebrating right now. This is Upnlive show, right? Looks like Dragon want to drain the voice box. Oh, yes, Dragon, you want to go again? Let me see. Next 20 seconds. Let's go.
Hey. Yo, hey, yo, none of them not bad like we. Hey, they can never touch this. Hey, got your girl in my cockpit. Hey, drive round, skid round. All these girls wanna ride me. Hey, yo, I can't think. It's off the dome. I can't. It's off.
Keep it like this way. This is the Upnlive show. Remember, how we can find you? Find your music online before we go.
Crxy the artist, but the A is actually an X. Yeah. So it's Crxy the artist, but with an X. But yeah, everywhere.
Spell that for me, because it puzzled me to find it as well. So CRXY, the artist. So yeah, that's everywhere. Plus, I do vlog. I'm a vlogger as well. So if you type in Crxy TV on YouTube, you find me. Yeah, so soca effects and all that. You need to teach what's going on this vlogging thing.
Hey, it's good, you know. Hey, it's good. I love vlogging, man. It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Love that. People, make sure you support him, support the music, support the movement, support the vlog side as well. Yeah, I need to bring me into the vlogging thing.
Hey, when you're ready, man.
Yeah, I'm on this thing. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
People, keep it locked this way. This is the Upnlive, so we're gonna be here until 11 this evening. It's approximately 60 minutes past. 60 minutes coming up to 11 past, you know. Yeah, we did have Crxy inside the building right now. If you're still locked in, remember you can support us. You can go into our social media. That's Upnlive show, and the show is sponsored by World Mag Entertainment. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon Master, Fire Q, Little Brown Rasta, Chino, Dream Team. Keep it locked. For now, Dragon, are you still?